Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best mini fridges that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best mini fridges. Mini fridges come in a wide range of shapes and sizes, and not all are particularly mini. Others sacrifice efficiency and features for their diminutive size. What to do? Try one of our best mini fridges. Number 5. Black Plus Decker BCRK25B. It also has glass shelves, 2 of them in full width, as well as door shelves, an ice cube tray and a reversible door, so it will situate just about anywhere. The back is flat. Main features: 2 full-width glass shelves, 2 full-width door, full-width freezer compartment. Number 4. Danby Designer DCR044A2. The Designer offers a capacity of 4.4 cubic feet, but it's only about 32 inches high, just shy of 3 feet. It should fit nicely under larger tables if you want to keep it out of sight. Main features: full-width freezer, 8-can door storage, tall bottle storage. Number 3. Midea Compact Reversible Double Door Refrigerator. Adjustable legs help to accommodate tight squeezes, and its reversible double doors are a really nice touch that sets this fridge apart. Main features: adjustable temperature ranges, features adjustable legs, separate fruit and vegetable drawer. Number 2. Haier HC27SW20RV. It's particularly short. It will tuck circumspectly under most desks, not to mention breakroom tables if the breakroom is a little short on space. Main features: capacity, 2.7 cubic foot, adjustable thermostat, full-width freezer compartment. Number 1. Magic Chef MCAR 320B2. It can be a good fit for an office that just wants the basics, a fridge to keep things cool with no freezer to take up interior space. Why spend more on a model that's loaded with things? Main features: dimensions: width 18.7 inches, black door, all refrigerator. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.